Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this air-fried garlic Parmesan wings. This recipe is perfect for a football day or a football night. If you're hosting a party, this is a perfect appetizer for you. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. This recipe is actually available in a recipe book from Cosori Air Fryer. So if you have a Cosori Air Fryer, you should have this recipe book as well. So to get started, our ingredients are chicken wings meat that I got from Walmart. This is about 4 pounds. It comes like 18 wings. And then 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. You could add a fresh garlic. That's really up to you. Season with garlic with Himalayan salt. Season to taste. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix this until combined. Don't forget the black ground pepper, of course. Mix until combined. And then I'm going to add the sage. Sage is not included on the recipe, but it does add a lot of good flavor. So if you're welcome to try that too, but it's optional. So once these are all set, put that aside. Now the chicken wings are already prepped. I washed them and put them in a strainer. I like to drain the water as much as possible because this was frozen. Spray the basket with non-stick cooking spray and just simply place the meat into the powdered mixture. Make sure that both sides of the meat are well coated. Now simply place this into a basket. You could place about 12 wings, but for the sake of the video, I'm just putting about 6 pieces of the chicken wings. Just simply place those in a basket, just like what I'm doing right here. Now that they are all set, just simply spray this with a cooking oil. Any oil will do. Place this in the fryer and cook 320 for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, release the basket and flip this on the other side like what I'm doing right here. And you're going to spray this side as well with the cooking spray. Any cooking spray will do. And we're going to put this back in the air fryer unit. Cook it on 400 degrees for 5 minutes to make it golden, crispy brown on the outside. After 5 minutes, here's the garlic Parmesan chicken wings. It's super good, guys. Super delicious, easy peasy to make. I hope you give this recipe a try. This is super delicious. The kids, everybody will love this for sure. And I just simply create a platter with a side of carrots and celery, just to make it like a really appetizing look as well. This is perfect for the game day or any party you have. If you're hosting one, this is a perfect appetizer. The meat is perfectly done. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for supporting our channel. Appreciate you all. Again, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Ciao!